Very good morning, my dear children. I hope all of you are fine, taking care of your health, hygiene, taking good immunity food. So hereby we are starting our first session today, and I want to introduce myself. I hope because already I know you, but still we have some new students in our class. So I want to introduce myself. My name is Radhika. I am your English teacher. And after a long day vacation, I hope all of you are taking a long rest, got back of your homework, textbooks, etc. So the first day itself, I don't want to take you to handwriting work, again the same pattern of textbooks, etc. And you children have grown up, completed your second standard. Happy to see you coming to the third standard. So hereby I want to start you inculcating some good habits about hand wash, because already we know that we are fighting with a deadly virus. Because of the deadly virus, we couldn't even reopen our schools in the proper scheduled timing. So that is the reason. So these are the important things which you children and we, all of us, have to follow. So that is a safety thing first we have to learn. Suppose for example if such a lesson has been included, so firstly we have to go through it. So think that it is the same thing. So let us learn first today about hand wash. That is a basic thing, and mostly our children, that is students of Akshara, already have the habit of hand wash, and hereby we want to inculcate you some more about the hand wash. And firstly, if you see there, I have given you a slide there. Wash your hands. So these are some of the tips that you have to follow. Wash your hands with soap and running water when hands are visibly dirty. When they are dirty, mostly we wash it. So even we have some boards, placards displayed at the wash places. Wash your hands before eating, after eating. These days we used to follow that. But nowadays the situation became too worse, that for every 1 hour or 2 hours, if we touch any new articles, new things, if we go outside to purchase anything, if we take or give our articles to others, now it became very necessary for us to hand wash. If your hands are not visibly dirty, frequently clean them by using alcohol-based hand rub or soap water. So even if you don't have any sanitizers, hand washes, even you can use soap to wash your hands very cleanly and thoroughly. This is the basic thing you have to learn and follow. Because we already know that we have to learn to live with virus. Because there is no hope that now there is any vaccine or medicine for us to get treatment, isn't it, children? So we should learn to live with virus. We have to fight the virus together. So the basic thing you kids have to learn is wash your hands thoroughly. So I'll teach you even some processes how to wash your hands. I think you are able to see the clip which I have given. So firstly, take some solution, that is, in the picture you can see some green drops of solution is falling on the hand. Rub it carefully on your hand. Those pink colored dots on the hand, there is some dust or virus which will stick to your hand. So the green drops on the hand say you that some solution is falling into your hand. Rub it very gently such that foam comes on your hands. Foam means మీరు చిన్నపిల్లలు సబ్బు పెట్టి ఇలా రుద్దేసి నొరగ వస్తుంది. Mostly we will play like that. So it is the same thing. And see in the picture clockwise, the third picture. So use your hands, fingers properly, rub two sides till the foam comes completely and clean it with running water. After that, take a napkin and clean the wet hands with the napkin. So even you can see step 1, step 2, 3, 4 and 5. In the step 1, the hands were very dirty, and step 2, you have to wash it with a leather soap or liquid or whatever the hand wash available with you at home. Scrub it for at least 20 seconds. My dear children, follow it carefully. Whatever the soap you use or hand sanitizer, the soap you use or liquid soap you use, Dettol soap or Dettol hand wash, whatever it is, rub the solution on your hand at least minimum for 20 seconds till the foam comes out, because the foam have the capacity to kill the virus, the dirt which is on your hands. And the fourth step, clean all the foam and water. Clean all the foam present on your hands with running water. Later, dry your hands. So that is very good hygiene. Good and hygiene is in your hands. So by this we can help to stop the virus. Together we have to help stop this spread and stay healthy. So 20 seconds, that could save your life, because use soap and water more often to prevent catching and spreading of virus. The 20 seconds which you wash carefully will save your life. I hope all you children have understood today's challenge is hand wash challenge better, and you have to follow it. And even come to your home, relatives, friends, ask them to wash their hands, train them if you are well trained, isn't it? మీకు చక్కగా తెలిసినప్పుడు అందరికీ చెప్పొచ్చు. So you first follow the habit, inculcate the habit, and later make the friends or relatives whoever visit your house. So washing your hands is the first step that we can stop the spread of virus, can keep us healthy, isn't it? I hope all of you have liked my video, and but if you have any doubts, kindly call me up. And this is the challenge today you have to follow, and I request the students and parents that I want to know, that is, let me know whether you are doing all this at home frequently all these days. And the challenge which I have given you today is the hand wash challenge. So I want to know it through any video while you are washing your hands. So take the help of your sisters or brothers or parents in your home. Kindly make it small, that is the 20 seconds, 22 to 23 seconds of a video, and kindly post me back. So whatever the video I received back that you are following and doing this hand wash challenge, there will be a small cute gift from my side to my students. So dear children, have a happy day, and today is a very small session that I have interacted you, and the next alternate day I'll be getting in touch with you in Zoom. Thank you all.